how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. This is your girl Beth Awino, and I'm back with another interesting video. And today we are doing matters business. It's long since I did a video on business growth tips, so today is that day. So if you're new here, welcome. Feel at home and please join this amazing family where it's all about learning, being informed and growing. Okay, if you are a returning subscriber, you are the most important person. Love you so much. Mwah. Okay, thank you so much for always coming back. Okay, so let's go straight to it. So guys, I'm going to share step-by-step guide on how to start a business. We are back to the basics. Okay, and guys, please, I have my notebook. If you see me looking down, please bear with me. I have to refer since I don't want to miss on anything. Okay, these are basics and let's just go to it. Okay, step number one is finding the business idea. When I say to find a business idea, is where you identify the unique idea that will solve the problem that many people have. What are you going to bring? What are you going to start that is going to enable people around to find from what you are going to start? This is basically it. Okay, step number two is doing market research. Do your market research, identify your market, your target customers, find the information around so that you see if you are going to materialize the business idea, the problem you have identified in step number one. Okay, step number three is creating a business plan, and on this one, please make it very short and very precise. Just a plan. A plan is just a write-up on how are you going to go about it. You have already identified, you have done the market research, so create the business plan. Okay, the next step, which is number four, is come up with business plan templates. Complete all legal formalities. You put together all your essential financial projection. You come up with information that you put out the information that will sell your idea, your story. This is what you do. You have to create something that will make it better, that will make you be out there, will make you succeed and outweigh your competitors. Okay, the next step is finding the business. Now you come up with the idea, you did your market research, you created your business plan, you created your business plan templates, and now here is now the real thing. Now find exactly what are you offering, exactly what do you need to start. We are together. Okay, the next step is to determine business legal structure, and here you can involve a lawyer so that it's easier for you. And there are different types of business that need to be identified. You need to identify exactly what type of business are you going to do. Is it a sole proprietor, a partnership, a corporation, such kind of business? Those are business terms that we'll go deep into them on a separate video. Okay, the next step, which is point number 7, is register your business name. This is another task that is really involving, and you have to do a search. Here you have to do a search, and there is a fee that you need to pay to the registrar of companies. You come up with the name, you do a search to clarify and to ensure that the name you have come up with does not exist anywhere, because duplicates are not entertained as per my knowledge in my country, that is my country, Kenya. Okay, the next step you need to do is apply for licenses and permits. This is compulsory. You cannot do a business without a permit. Yes, you have to get a permit. You have to follow the government structures. Okay, and every country has this. I don't think you can start a business in any country without a license, without a permit. So you have to apply after the other step. You have to apply for your licenses and permits so that you can now get going. The next step that we look at is obtain insurance to start the business. There's this compulsory insurance. I don't know, it's called what in Kenya. I forgot the name. If I get it, I will put it down here as I edit this video, so you will see the name here. But why is insurance important? You are starting a business, you have invested, you have put all that you have in there, so it's very important to mitigate the risk. You'll insure your capital, everything that you put there, so that in case of anything, you are on the safe side. Okay, the next step on starting the business is open a bank account. Why is a bank account important? It's important so that you separate personal and business. You have to know business is a separate entity altogether. It's on its own. Even if it's a sole proprietor, it's you who is running the business as an individual. Do not do a mistake of mixing your personal account, your personal money with the business. It will really mess up with you. So just open a separate account that is pure for business. Okay, the next step that you need to do is to review business tax requirements. Every business has its requirements according to the size, according to the capital, whatever. So you need to really look at tax, because you're going to involve people, you're going to put everything. So identifying and knowing exactly what type of tax that will be applicable to you will be very important, because you cannot escape tax. You have escape or evade or escape. I think it's escape. Yes, you really have to know which type of tax that will affect you. It's very, very important. The next step is to create products and services. Okay, here now it's like you are starting you already have your licenses, you've already opened the bank account, you've already done your insurance, you've already identified the tax. Now create the product and service that you're going to offer. If product and any service you're going to offer, what is it exactly? Describe it, put it up here, put it out there, let people know, and let us now start doing the business, solving the problem that people have around there, and outwinning the competitors around us. Okay, the next step that you need to look at is build a website for your business. A website is very important, as it will expose your business. It will make people know that you're there. You've already created your business, so create a website so that you list there exactly what are you offering, so that people know. Okay, and a website nowadays you can create it on your own. If not, there are very, very many companies out there that do web creation. Are we together? Yes. Okay, the next step is market your business. Market your business. You already have the website. That's the first step. You already open up. That's a social media platform. So here you have to market your business. Know your target audience, build a strong brand identity, promote your business online, do all you are just starting, so people have to know you, and you have to make sure here to convince people to buy your products and services, your products or services, whichever you're offering, either products or services. Are we together? And the last step is hire the right employees. You need manpower. You need people to help you out, and getting the right people with the right skills, it's very, very important. People are the ones that are going to determine how your business is going to move forward. So you have to find the right people that are going to go as per your mission, your vision, and your core values, so that you succeed in your business. Okay guys, these are the steps that will help all of us to start a business. Basic. You want to start a business, follow these steps and you will be there. Okay guys, let me know what you think about these steps. If you're planning to start a business, here you go. Please follow these steps and start your do not wait. Start now with whatever you have. Start now. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, to subscribe. There is a button here, it's free of charge. Please subscribe, put on your bell notification so that each and every time I put up a video, you'll be among the first people to know. Okay, share it out to your friends, your colleagues, so that we learn together, so that we start the business, so that we be our own bosses. Okay, thanks for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.